Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Great to have you here. So in this video, what I am going to do is I'm going to show you 8 great side hustle ideas that you can start today if you're in the UK or anywhere in the world, if you're looking to get started with making money online or getting started with an online business. Now, the great thing about side hustles, especially getting started online, is that you don't need any university degrees, you don't need any formal education to get started. All you really have to do is have a really good desire to make this work and a willingness to invest some of your time. That's all you really need to get started with these side hustles. So let's get started. So if you don't know who I am and this is your first time on the channel, my name is Ross Macfarlane. I'm a digital entrepreneur. I'm sharing things on this channel, all things how making money online and all online business and affiliate marketing tips and tricks. So if this is your first time on the channel, where have you been? Why are you just seeing me now? All joking aside, if this is your first time on the channel and you want to see some content like this all the time, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you get notified each and every time when I post a video every single week. So side hustle number 1 is a side hustle known as drop servicing. So basically, in a nutshell, what this is what you're doing is you're offering a product or a service, and then what you're doing is you're then finding that service somewhere cheaper online and then making an upsell from the profit. So say for example, you're offering a service at say $200, someone else is fulfilling that service for say $150 and you're making the $50 upsell on that. So a way that you can do that is a number of different ways, but I'll show you here on the computer of a way that you can quickly do that now. Here we go, we'll dive right in and I'll show you how you can do that here. So what I've found here is web design. Just for a total example, this can be anything. It can be book covers you can be doing. You might be a graphic designer, you might want to do that. But just for this example, I'm going to show you web design. So I found this website here who's offering websites starting from, I'm in the UK, so pounds, starting from £250 all the way up to £700. So that's quite expensive for a website, but they're obviously offering a good service, and they're obviously making sales because this was on the top page on Google when I searched for web design, and it wasn't an ad. They had search engine optimization, which I'll talk about in another video, but they had their website optimized. So what you could do is you could create a website like this, and then you could head over to a freelancing website like Fiverr, like this here, and just type in something like website design. And you can find website designs for, you can see here, there's someone here who's designing one for $37, another one $37, another guy here $131, $37, and what you might be thinking is, you might be thinking, well, if they're offering it so cheap, the service that they're offering might not be as good as the, say, like on the other example here, on the, say, the $700 website one. Now, what you'll find is with Fiverr, like a freelancing website, is that you'll get a lot of great web designers and you'll get a lot of great anything in any niche just starting out, and they're just like you, want to start making money online. So what they'll do is they'll offer their services, even though they might be really, really great at what they do, they'll come in really, really cheap just to gain traction on Fiverr. So what they'll do is they might be an absolute fantastic web designer, never ever freelanced before. Then they go ahead, start freelancing, offer their services for, say, like we said here, $37. Get a few gigs, get a few clients in, create a few websites, get a few 5-star reviews, then they can start raising their prices. So you can easily make a business out of that doing drop servicing. Side hustle number 2 would be straight off the back of side hustle number 1 is become a freelancer. You may already have a skill. You may be something like a graphic designer, or you may be really good at using Canva, or you may be a web designer. You may have a skill that you want to use, and you can begin freelancing on Fiverr, and you can start doing gigs on Fiverr. Now, you might be sitting there saying to yourself, well, I don't know how to do anything. I don't know how to do website design. What you can do is you could easily head over to YouTube, type in how to design websites on website themes like Wix or Divi, or all these different website designing platforms, and you can watch these videos, build your first website. So you could head over to a place like BLUEHOST, like over here. You can head over to BLUEHOST, where they do plans for like £3 a month. So you can host a website, and you can just practice, keep practicing websites, building websites. And then what you can do is you can head over to Fiverr, offer yourself on Fiverr as a web designer. And then what you can do is you can, like I said in the previous side hustle with the drop servicing, is you could just offer your services, start out really low, start building out websites for people, start getting reviews, and over a period of time you can lift up your prices and start getting lots of gigs and doing lots of web designs. That could be a really great example to get started with a side hustle. So side hustle number 3 would be teaching online. Specifically, you could probably do, if you don't have anything to teach online, you could probably just do something like, which is really popular, just teaching foreign students English online. So what you would do is you would sign up to different websites like tutor.com, fill out the application process, let them know what your skill is and what you're good at, what you can tutor in, and then there's different websites. I'll leave different websites in the description below what you can do, which ones you can sign up to, and you can then start like teaching foreign students English and things like that, and you can charge for your services that way. A really great thing that's going on just now with all the restrictions and stuff in place is that people are realizing that they do have to start learning online a lot more, so it's a great opportunity to take that bull by the horns, so to speak, and get involved with doing something like that. So side hustle number 4 is kind of similar to the drop servicing one that I said at the start, but what this one is like Amazon publishing. So Amazon, obviously, publish books, and that's what they started off as. And what you can do is you can go ahead and publish your own book or your own PDF or your own ebook, and then what you can do is you can sell it. Now, if you're not sitting there and you're thinking to yourself that, well, I don't have a great skill that I can go and write a PDF on, but you don't have to be a rocket scientist to do that. People get so overwhelmed with thinking that they have to know everything before getting started. You don't. You just have to know one page in front of someone else, and all you have to do is solve a pain or problem or a solution and give someone a result. And also, even one better than that is what you could do is you can head over to a website like this called the private label rights, so the plrstore.com, and you can actually buy like books here. I've actually looked at one here, so we've got here like Instagram guides for beginners, so you could buy this for $14.99. I haven't done my due diligence on this, but on the PLR store you can check and you can make sure that it's got like a Creative Commons rights label, so it's like anyone can use it. You can read through it and make sure that it can be used other places and it can be sold other places. So you can buy this for say $15 here, that's saying here $14.99, and then what you can do is you can just download it, put your own little spin on it, and then you can upload it up to Amazon and then sell it for yourself. Like, so you could just, like, say here, this is the Kindle edition here, grow on Instagram, $5. I mean, how many of them would you have to sell just to make your money back on the $15 investment that you paid to the PLR store? Once you get better at it, once you get better at doing things like this, you can start charging like more and more and more. It's like anything when we start something new, we're not going to be good at it when we first get started, but if we keep doing it every day for 6 months, then after 6 months we're going to be a lot better at it. So side hustle number 5, my most favorite one, is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically what we're doing is we are selling other people's products and services. Now there's a number of different ways that you can do this, but basically as an affiliate marketer, all you are is a master of driving traffic. Traffic equals people. So what you'll find is you can sign up to different affiliate programs. What you'll do is most websites, 99% of websites, you'll find these companies, if you scroll down to the bottom, they'll have an affiliate program. So how that would work is you would sign up to their affiliate program. They would then designate you with your specific affiliate link, and then you would provide them with payment details. So then all it is, your job as the affiliate, is to get that person or said person or that website or that company's target market to that offer or to that website where they can then make a purchase, and you will then make a commission and you will get paid out for that. Now, another way you can do affiliate marketing is to head over to some affiliate marketing networks. You've got stuff like JVZoo, ClickBank, all these different types of networks. They've got offers on there as well that you can start promoting, and all you have to do is start driving traffic back to your affiliate links. So affiliate marketing is a great business model. It is the one that I use personally. There is different ways of driving traffic. There is free ways, there is paid ways. I'm actually going to do a video on which would be better suited, which would be organic marketing, which is free, or paid marketing, so stay tuned for that. And I've also already done a video on how you can drive traffic using your Facebook profile, which I'll leave in the description below if you wanted to get started with affiliate marketing, specifically with affiliate networks. I've got a few hacks in there and stuff that you can go ahead and look at, watch that video, and you can start implementing today. So side hustle number 6 would be start a YouTube channel. Now, starting a YouTube channel is absolutely great. This is a great way to make money. A lot of people, they automatically think, and they're not that educated in YouTube channels, they automatically think that the only way to make money on YouTube is through something which is known as AdSense. So like every time that we go to watch a video, what happens is you'll see an ad pop up, and that creator, that YouTube channel, will get paid for that ad being shown on their channel. Now, that's called the YouTube Partner Program. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time to be able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And to be honest, if you don't have a huge subscriber base, then it's not really going to be paying out. It's not going to be paying the mortgage every month. It grows and grows and grows, but the real money to be made on your YouTube channel is through what I mentioned earlier, is stuff like affiliate marketing. You can start a YouTube channel on, say you're a photographer and you want to start doing camera reviews and stuff like that. You can sign up to Amazon FBA, which is Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfillment by Amazon. Can't talk today. Again, as usual, every video I'm like this. So fulfillment by Amazon. So what you do is you start your YouTube channel, something that you're really good at, so you can, or you're already an authority in that area, and you just start creating content on that. You can do reviews on, like I said earlier, say you're a photographer, you can do reviews on different cameras, why you think X camera is better than Y camera, and you can leave affiliate links in the bottom of the descriptions below in all your YouTube videos. And what they're doing is they're pointing back to Amazon FBA, which is then, if people are making a purchase, which most people who are watching reviews on stuff are just going to instant gratification, they're just going to click the link in the description below. They just want to go straight to the product instead of have to go away and try and find it themselves. You're going to make a commission that way. And another great way, which is going to take me on to another side hustle, which would be side hustle number 7, which it could come straight off the back of the YouTube channel, which would be become a coach or a consultant. So you may already be a coach or a consultant in the traditional world, and you just don't know how to get yourself onto the online world. So what you can do is, like I said earlier, you can create a website, offer your services. You can even go as far as, if you did have the cash, you can go ahead and create a website, go on Fiverr, get someone to design the website for you, go on Fiverr again, then get someone to optimize that website for you, and then you can offer your services as a coach or a consultant in whatever it is that you do. You may be a photography consultant, you may be a coach, you may be a life coach. You can do that online. That is another great side hustle to get started. But off the back of that, that really ties into the YouTube channel, because if you are a coach or a consultant in whatever niche that you may be in, what you can do is you can start creating content on your YouTube channel, and what you're doing is you're building up authority in your niche. So people are going to see your content and know that you are an authority in that niche. And then off the back of that, you can even start off a coaching or consulting business. And you can even go one better, and what you can do is you can actually record the coaching sessions and then upload them and use them on your YouTube channel. And then even one better than that is what you can do is to give yourself for great content is when you're actually going through, say for example, you're doing a coaching business and you're going through, say you've got 10 to 15 clients over a period of time, you've managed to build this up. What's going to happen is you're going to get common themes within your niche. So say you're in a photography business, like I mentioned earlier, and you keep coming up against these common themes from these photographers who want to to solve a problem. They want to start making money in their photography businesses, and you find that within these clients that you're having, you're getting a common theme. What you can do is you can then create a video on that and then put that on your YouTube channel. And even one better than that is what you can do is, if you're finding these common themes, you know that there's a demand for it. So if there's a demand for it, then that means that you can create a course. So what you can do is you can actually create a course based on these objections and these challenges that your ideal clients are facing, and then you can actually create a course and you can actually sell your course. So that's another great side hustle that you can go. Now, the 8th and final side hustle in today's video is just something that you can start if you've strapped for cash. This is something that I use, so I was able to start funding my marketing because I picked a paid marketing strategy. So this is matched betting. So matched betting, what it is basically it's not gambling, it is actual matched betting. You cannot lose. There's a number of different sites that you can sign up to. The one that I used to use is called Profit Accumulator. Now all it is what happens is, say you've got a football team, you've got Scotland are playing England. What you do is you place a bet that Scotland are going to win, and then you use a betting exchange, and then you say that England are going to win, or the game is going to be a draw. Now, say you place a £10 bet here and you place a £10 bet here, you're gonna, what's gonna happen with that is, if you use this website, they're a third-party website, in between these two, what you're doing is you're actually using the free bet. You're activating your free bet within this, and then from the free bet you go ahead and you make money that way. So that's a great way to start making profits online, like instantly today, to get you started, to start funding some of these other side hustles. That is something that I did do at the very start. I started using Profit Accumulator, started building up a little bit of cash, and to be honest, you can actually make quite a bit of money per week and per month using Profit Accumulator. But that is another great side hustle that you can go ahead and get started with, that can start generating you income like right away. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you found some value from it. I would love it if you'd go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let me know if you are making money online, you have started a side hustle. Maybe you want me to go a little bit more in depth on some of the side hustles that I have already mentioned, or maybe you've got some content in mind that you would love me to create. Please let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to go ahead and get it created. Thanks for watching. Make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you did like this video, make sure to smash me with a like. It only takes you 2 seconds and it really helps out the channel. I would really appreciate it. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will catch you in the next video.